So hey guys, we currently have CovidToken Airdrop live on CoinMarketCap. So I think this project has to do with I don't know what to say, but it's the coronavirus that's just related. So I think that's how they came up with the name for this particular project. So if we're going to look at this 1 year flow, you can see the lows. Okay, the token, I think this token was just created not too long. I think so. It should be so because COVID-19 just came out last year. So you can see the price. The price has been going up since launch, since the listing. So it says here it's fully diluted market cap $14 million. Then total in supply is about 1 billion tokens. They have 1 billion tokens in supply, and it's on the Binance Smart Chain. So you say when you participate on this particular airdrop, it's going to start by September 12th anyway. But when you participate on this particular airdrop, you're going to be getting you can get up to 500 COVID tokens. So if you multiply that by the coin value, you should be that's how you'll be able to get the value of the giveaway that you're going to get. So the total COVID token airdrop is valued at 25. This should be $25,000 COVID token airdrop. So you're currently giving out 2.5 million COVID token, 2.5 million token COVID token. So this should be 25,000 US dollar COVID token airdrop. So airdrop is going to be on for 10 days. Starts September 12 to 22. I'll be dropping the links you need to get this airdrop in the comment section. But feel free to subscribe. Feel free to kindly be on my background noise. Currently having some noise issues. So feel free to subscribe. For bonus tips, join. Kindly retweet their pin post. Okay, it says here the task you need to do is just Telegram group. And you follow these accounts on Telegram. So the only task you have here to do is just Telegram and Twitter. So on the Twitter task, I think you'll be meant to retweet their pin post. So CovidToken will select verified users and airdrop COVID tokens to their BEP20 address before September 30th. So add it to your watch list and you're good to go, and you are with the this airdrop once it starts distribution. Once the distribution kicks off. So they're going to be selecting 5,000 winners, guys. So one love. Hope this update is helpful to you. If it is, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, we'll be in the comment section to attend to all of them. One love, guys. Peace out. Share keys.